welcome to my channel. Are you tired of surprises when importing goods? Do you want to know the total cost of importation before making a purchase? In this video, I'll break down the costs involved in importing goods so you can make informed decisions. Let's get started. Section 1. Understanding importation costs. When importing goods, there are several costs to consider. These include freight costs, ocean or air, insurance, customs duties, taxes, VAT, GST, etc., port charges, agent fees, transportation costs from port to warehouse. Section 2. Calculating total cost of importation. Now let's calculate the total cost of importation using a simple example. Let's say you're importing 1,000 units of a product from China to Nigeria. Freight cost $10,000. Insurance $500. Customs duties $2,000. Taxes, VAT $1,500. Port charges $1,000. Agent fees $500. Transportation costs $1,000. Total cost of importation $16,500. Section 3. Tips and considerations. When calculating the total cost of importation, remember to research and negotiate freight costs. Consider insurance options. Check customs duties and taxes in your country. Factor in port charges and agent fees. Plan transportation costs. Now you know how to calculate the total cost of importation. Remember, knowledge is power. Use this information to make informed decisions and avoid surprises when importing goods. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at the car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008, and I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers you know offline and online get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market Lagos or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper, and importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option. If you don't like stress, make your payment, then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. Don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks, and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video. To see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.